Hi, hello. Good evening, one and all. Welcome to the session. Can you confirm about audio and video? Is it audio and video both are clear? Please do confirm about audio and video so that we'll move on to the session. Let me check from my side. Hi, Ashok. How are you? Good evening. Right. All clear? That's fine. Okay. So, welcome once again. Welcome to the session. So, here in this session, I'm going to discuss about the future of electrical engineering because most of the people are asking about what's going to happen for electrical engineering branch in future. Not only just electrical engineering branch, but also for mechanical engineering and civil engineering branch. So, how these branches are going to be in future and how these branches are going to take shape in future. Okay, what kind of opportunities we are going to get, what kind of challenging things we are going to get in future because of this revolutionary, such a peak stage of computer science engineering in terms of, data science or otherwise artificial intelligence or machine learning. Because of these advances in the computer engineering or computer technology, you know, the other core branches are not getting much priority or not getting much popularity, what I can say, in terms of especially all the time. End of the day, it is in terms of jobs only. So once a student completed or once a student got a degree from electrical engineering or civil engineering or mechanical engineering, ultimately he'll look for a job. But when it comes to CS graduate or computer science engineering graduate, definitely he might be going through any small software small scale industry or otherwise a medium scale industry. He is learning a language or any coding language or any testing tool like that, and he's getting into MNCs and with a good package. But when it comes to the electrical engineering or mechanical and civil, so it's not that much easy. So getting a good package is not that much easy until unless you place in PSUs. Even some MNCs for CS graduates are offering much more package than the PSUs also. The starting package itself around more than 6 to 7 lakhs. It's almost equals to PSUs. But once you gain the experience like 2 years or 3 years, it's they are going uh, much more ahead than these graduates. So that's the reason why I brought this session. So nothing more else. So what do you feel? So what do you feel when it comes to electrical engineering branch or mechanical engineering branch or civil engineering branch? This is not just for only electrical engineering branch, but also for mechanical engineering graduates and civil engineering graduates. So what do you feel? How are you feeling now? Are you have you thought of it at any point of time? If you think about this one, you please try to respond in the comment box so that I'll try to take up your responses also. If you have any questions or if you have any like what I can say, if you have any dilemma also, please post your question in the comment box. I'll try to take up your questions and I'll try to answer your questions. Okay. So this session is not going to be just not more than 30 minutes. We'll be finishing within 20-30 minutes because it's just a question and I have a straightforward answer for this. What's the future of electrical engineering? That's a straightforward question and I have a straightforward answer for it. So I'll just complete it within 20 minutes hardly, not more than 30 minutes also. Okay, right. So please post your questions and doubts if you have any, and we'll move on to the session. Vishal, hi, welcome to the session. So Durgesh is asking what type of courses we have to be done by student of EEE to get benefit more. Yeah. Achyut Reddy, hi, how are you? Durgesh, there are many types of courses, and see, I'll tell you, there are many types of courses. Let me introduce myself, those who are very much new to this platform. Myself, Naveen Golapalli. I have 11 plus years of experience in teaching. Most of the times I'll be teaching electric circuits, machines, measurements and power systems. I taught more than 20,000 students since 2012, and I cracked GATE and State Public Service Commission examinations also. And I did my master's in electrical power systems from JNTU Hyderabad. There's a small introduction about myself. Okay. So coming to the question, Durge's question. Coming to Durge's questions, if you are in third year, if you are in third year or fourth year, it doesn't matter. Okay. If you are aware of AutoCAD, that's a basic tool you need to learn. That's a basic tool you need to learn, I can say. Okay. So this is AutoCAD. I'm saying if you are really interested in towards software of electrical software, I'm saying, so AutoCAD, this electrical AutoCAD will be there. This is a basic tool you need to explore if you want to come into this software side or CAD side, computer aided design CAD tool. Okay, this is a basic tool you need to learn. And more than this, there are so many advanced tools also. AutoCAD 3D is also there. You can go and learn. Okay. Apart from this one, the major area where these tools are useful, major sectors or major areas are, there are two major areas. One is construction, civil construction domain, and there is a second major area is automation industry or automotive industry, automobile industry. Let us take up automobile industry, cars manufacturing, or vehicle manufacturing industries. Okay, these are the two major sectors where electrical engineering graduates can get a chance with good package. Now, when it comes to construction industry, there may be side jobs are there. There are some side jobs. There are some software jobs also that based on CAD, AutoCAD or otherwise 3D. Some other tools also there. Some companies are recruiting based on some other tools. There are some tools which are going to be useful automobile industry and construction industry also. One such tool I heard is Pro Engineer, and then CATIA V5. CATIA, the versions are there, CATIA and Pro E. Some other tools also there. So more of mechanical, Stat Pro, ANSYS, these are of more of mechanical type. But here you will be having some electrical modules, like how you design a wiring for the automobile, or how you design for a vehicle with CATIA and Pro E. So these places are again good places to get a chance with good package. Not a high package as like a CS graduate, but decent package. Decent package with MNCs, and the recruitment will be in MNCs like Mahindra Engineering Services and Tata Motors, and some other major MNCs are recruiting based on this courses. Okay, that's about Durge's question. And still any other questions? Achut, maybe, but I forget Achut. I'm sorry. Gold Star, hi. Good evening. HR Electrical Tutor Telugu. Yeah, I am from Telugu. Bagunnara meeru? Durgesh, nothing like that. Those who are preparing, if you are a fresher and if you are preparing for any MNCs, these courses will definitely help you. Durgesh, I think you got it. Durgesh, did you get me? समझ गए आपको? अगर आप ये सीखा तो पक्का आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगा. अच्छा साई, ओके ओके. Okay, अच्छा. How are you? Right. So let us move on to our session. The future of electrical engineering is here. With this, in the olden days, we used to, the machinery or otherwise devices, whatever the devices we are going to use, whatever the machinery we are going to use, slowly they are, updated, slowly they are uh, supported with different kind of technologies. Earlier, whenever a failure occurs in the system, we used to go them and we used to inspect them, we used to get set at them. But after few days or after few years, now it is done with the PLC SCADA. The testing or troubleshooting is going to be done with the PLC SCADA or automotive tools. Okay, with the help of again, laptop or any with the tool we are going to do that one. And nowadays it's these PLC SCADA basic automation tools. And now in future it is going to be with the AI powered or machine learning powered the tools. So the automation tools will be designed with powered with artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies, no doubt. So what I wanted to say is, even the automation engineers, whatever the automation engineers are there, they need to have an idea about the artificial intelligence and machine learning engineering. Then only they can get good opportunities. So I am saying that, what I am trying to say, that whatever new technology comes into the market, you need to learn it. Because if you want to sustain, or if you want to face any challenging things, or if you want to continue, or if you want to reach to new heights in your career, definitely you need to learn the new technology. So it's not like that. I'll learn only PLC, I'll learn only SCADA, and I'll continue my career with that only, with those tools only. It's not like that. You should always be ready to learn always new things and new courses. Okay, then only you'll get new opportunities. So my straight question is, future of electrical engineering is started now, to say exactly. So far it is what I can say, it is with the previous or the past technologies or past tools only, and now it is booming again. You get a every time you get a new technology, definitely there will be some ups and downs. I just wanted to say, and take that opportunity, and take it as a challenge and learn the new things. Move ahead, go ahead. Okay, so my sincere request is, don't take it in a different way, don't think it in a different way. So be ready to learn everything, be ready to learn new things especially. Okay, so if you learn artificial intelligence and machine learning, and some basics only, not much degrees. You don't require a degree in this one. You don't require a degree in this one. You just go through it. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, you just go through it. Maybe a 1 month or 2 months course. There are some, what I can say, training institutions. They might be teaching you for, what I can say, years and years together, 1.5 year, 2 years course, like that. But no need for us. For an automation engineering, what is the tool required? That's it. We need to learn that only, not entire artificial intelligence and machine learning, right? So for our automation engineering, for our automation engineer, so what kind of module will set up here? That module you can learn. That module you can learn it within 2 months or 3 months. It doesn't take much time. The entire course may take more than 1 year or 2 years. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say. Be ready to learn new things, then only you'll get good opportunities with good package. Okay, right. So that is what I wanted to say. And if your aim is to crack only gate, if your aim is only to crack only gate, and if you want to, get into PSUs, then keep it aside. Because nothing to do with this one. Maybe after joining in any organizations, maybe BHEL or otherwise NTPC, you may get, they also train you maybe on this artificial intelligence or otherwise PLC SCADA, whatever the technology they use in the industry, in the NTPC or otherwise VHL, they'll train you. Okay, this I am saying apart from PSUs, I am saying. Okay, right. So that's what I wanted to say. You have the electrical engineering not gonna anywhere, not going to be anywhere. The only thing is you need to learn new things. That's what I wanted to say. Jesus talks how we get opportunities of triple E side. Um, Jesus, I tell you one thing. There are many job portals. There are many job portals like LinkedIn is there, or otherwise what I can say Naukri.com is there, Shine.com is there. Many job portals. You can go through the job portals and you can upload your resume, and upload in that resume you should mention your skills. What do you know? What kind of technology you know? What kind of tools you know? Okay. Based on that, you can get a job offer. Okay. So now, but still, people are, if you are, if you ask me, like, I wanted to do MTech, if your goal is to do masters in a good institution like IIT or otherwise IIC, now my best option is any branch which is powered with computer science is going to be, you know, what rocking in future coming years. So please try to prefer hybrid branches. Hybrid branches is like half electrical and half CSC, half electrical and half computer science, electrical and computers engineering, or computer and electrical engineering, like that. Half electrical and half CSC, or otherwise half electrical or half instrumentation, half electrical, half electronics, like that. This hybrid branches will definitely take you to next level. So be ready to opt for the hybrid branches also. Okay, don't just look at only power system. Just don't just look at only power electronics. Don't just look at only a particular domain itself. Okay, try to go for mixture of branches. Half electrical, half computer science, half electrical, half electronics, half electrical, half instrumentation, like that. IITs are offering these kind of courses. Hybrid branches are there. You just go through the websites and you'll find it. And you know one thing, all most of the IITs are having industry institution MOUs or links are there. Industry institution supporting branches are there. So what they are doing is they are hiring from here, or maybe they are providing an internship for the students, those who are doing masters. So in the industry institution relationship, they are trying to some they are doing some R&D works also here. Okay, if you finish your project or if you finish your internship, definitely they'll recruit into their company. Okay, this kind of course is also there, and this kind, please have a look into the please have a look at this kind of courses. Okay, apart from this one, the next within 5 more years, it's already started. Next within 5 more years, we will reach to peak in electric mobility. So this is going to be the next generation mobility. So slowly the diesel consumption, or petrol powered or diesel powered or oil powered vehicles are going to be reduced, and most of the even mass transportation also going to be equipped with electric mobility. So electric mobility is one more chance. EVs, EV domain is one more area. There you will get plenty of opportunities. Okay, EV domain means like there are other parts, again modules, networking side, okay, operation side, service side, transportation side, and when it comes to the software also, the software which we use in building the EVs, on that software side also, troubleshooting side you can find out. Okay, and erection and commissioning in the EV charging stations. Okay, how do you build a battery? How do you troubleshoot a battery? How do you test a car? Okay, testing side, erection side, and maintenance side. Okay, there are different modules you can get into those domains also. Okay, the only thing is you need to be ready with that particular domain. Okay, if you are able to do battery maintenance or battery management, what we call it as powertrain maintenance. Powertrain maintenance, whatever the power supply components are there, or whatever, how we place them, how we track them, how we design them, how we test them, how we repair them or maintain them. Okay, so if you can have an idea about the powertrain management, then that's good, that's enough to get a job. Along with that, you try to learn other things also, so that you can have many opportunities, plenty of opportunities. Not just have a, if you have an idea about only powertrain management, you will be getting a job only on that one. If you have an idea about battery management, okay, then you will get a job on that one. So when you learn many things, you will get many options in the EV domain. Okay, right. So there is a survey which is actually conducted by Times now. In that survey, they have given some good numbers also. In future, EV is going to create much jobs. The only thing is, along with electrical degree, you need to learn that particular what I can say, particular domain. You should have a knowledge on that particular domain also if you are looking for a job. Okay, so my sincere suggestion is, if you have already decided for gate, then my sincere suggestion is go through it. After clearing this one, my sincere suggestion is opt for hybrid branches, opt for EV branches, and the power electronics branch. So these three branches are going to be next booming. They'll give you big opportunities in future. Especially the first two branches will give you big opportunities. So that's what I wanted to say. Ashok, you're asking something. Tell me, what is that? Core availability in YouTube. I did not get you, Ashok. What is your question? This was the survey which is done by the Times now. So there is a 35% increase in the EV jobs in the last October-December period. Okay, so there are many companies. I think you might have seen on the roads. Many companies are designing the electric vehicles. Many companies are designing the electric vehicles. Out of them, Ola is there. Hero Electric, Ether Energy, Mahindra Electric, Ola Electric is there. The many electric companies are there. So most of the electric companies are startups only. EV companies are. Okay, Ether is a startup actually. Ola is also a startup. Just within 5 years, they got a big business. They got a big opportunities. Okay, the old age automobile industry you take over. The old age automobile industry, Tata, what I can say, Hero Honda is old age in what I can say, old age only. Yeah, Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra, they are slowly turning up into EV business. Okay, because they have the equipment, they have the infrastructure to manufacture the old vehicles, petrol powered vehicles, diesel powered vehicles. Okay, so in order to adopt the new technology, they took some time. By that time, Ather and Ola collapsed the market. That means like they grabbed the market, not collapsed actually, they grabbed the market. Most of the market is grabbed by Ather and Ola. Now it's a competition between Ola and TVS, I think so. TVS, I think so. And even this Hero Electric is still struggling to make the business in the EV domain, because first come, first serve, no. And the major openings are in Bangalore. Next will be of Chennai, and then NCR, National Capital Region, Gurgaon or Delhi based, and then Hyderabad. So these are the areas where you can get the jobs also. Okay. So please, my sincere request is some of the students have asked. That's the reason why I'm saying that nothing is going to happen. But do one thing is according to the technology, we also need to upgrade. We also need to change. Learn some tools also. Learn some tools like artificial intelligence, machine learning, or otherwise the advanced technologies, whatever the technologies which is useful in your domain. Or else if you wanted to stick to gate and masters only, then go and choose hybrid branches. Definitely, very good future will be there. Okay, so that's all what I wanted to say. And here is a announcement from the BYJU'S exam prep platform. The scholarship test. The scholarship test is on 20th August, and the scholarship test is available from morning 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you can register it and you can attempt it so that you can get a discount up to 90%. Okay. All right. So still, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Any general questions, if you have, you can ask me. Harsha, Harsha, I did not see you. Courses, you are asking about courses? Harsha, Harsha, I told you at the beginning itself. I think I have told someone asked, and I told at the beginning itself. There are some courses also. I said AutoCAD course, AutoCAD 3D course, and Pro Engineer, CATIA course. I have mentioned them. Harsha, at the beginning itself, I said. All right then. Okay. All right. So this is all about the different courses or branches available for the electrical engineering graduates. So if you are interested, go through them and try to look into those courses, and definitely you'll get a good opportunities. Okay. Chalo then. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.